In this video, I will show you the trick on how to calculate formal charge easily. So, what is the definition of formal charge? Formal charge is the charge that is assigned to an atom in a molecule. So, now I am going to give you the another definition of formal charge. Formal charge is the charge that each atom in a molecule would have if the electrons in the bonds were divided equally between the two atoms. So remember this definition. Formal charge is the charge that is assigned to an atom in a molecule. Actually, formal charge is not the actual charge of an atom. The actual charge is the partial charge, but to calculate partial charge for complex molecule is not easy. That is why chemists are using formal charge, right? Okay, so let me show you the trick to find out formal charge. Formal charge equal to valence electron in a free atom or neutral atom minus dot minus line. Dot means lone pairs of electron or unbonded electrons, and lines means bond. So let us find out the formal charge for this oxygen. So you can identify this oxygen as oxygen A, this is oxygen B, and this is oxygen C. So let us find out the formal charge of oxygen A. So look, at first we have to find out the valence electron of oxygen. Oxygen is an element of group 6A, that is why it has 6 valence electron, minus dots. How many unbonded electrons or non-bonded electrons does oxygen have? Here 4. Minus lines. How many lines are attached to the oxygen? 2. Now calculate 6 minus 6, that is 0. So the formal charge of oxygen is 0. Look, if a oxygen is bonded with another atoms with 2 bonds, then the formal charge is 0. If the bond number is 1, the formal charge will be minus 1. Let me show. Now let us find out the formal charge for oxygen C. So the number of valence electron in a free atom or neutral atom of oxygen is 6, minus dots here 6, minus line here 1. So 6 minus 7, that is minus 1. So the formal charge for this oxygen is minus 1, right? So now let us find the formal charge for this oxygen. What will happen? That is formal charge of oxygen B. So valence electron is oxygen 6, minus dots here 2, the minus line attached to this oxygen is 3. So we are getting here 6 minus 5, that is plus 1. The formal charge for this oxygen is plus 1, right? Okay, let me show you the another way to find out the formal charge for all this oxygen. So look, I can replace this bond by dots, right? So let me do that. Also I can replace this bond by dots. Single bond means 2 dots, right? Now to find formal charge, look, I have to draw a circle, right? I have to draw a circle. So for this oxygen, I will draw a circle like this. This circle include all the lone pairs of the atoms, but this circle include half of bonding electrons, right? So look, in a neutral atom of oxygen, we have 6 valence electron, but here we have assigned how many valence electron? 2, 4, 6. 6 minus 6, that gives us 0 formal charge, right? So now find out the formal charge for this oxygen. So we have to draw a circle. Look, this circle include all the lone pairs, but this circle must include half of the bonding electrons. So here 4 we have to count 2, here 2 we have to count 1. So in a neutral or free oxygen atom we have 6 valence electron, but here we have assigned 5. So the result is +1. Now find out the formal charge for this oxygen. So we have to draw a circle, right? This circle include all the lone pairs, but this circle include only half of the bond pairs. So 6 minus 2, 4, 6, 7, that is -1. So the formal charge for this oxygen is -1. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.